on the overview, roles, and norms. If you click on that, you'll get this document, and you'll notice that this in the curriculum is found in Module 1, Session 2. And this gives you an overview of what to expect in video reflections, and then also highlights that there are 3 roles. Whenever we do a video reflection, there's always a presenter, an educator presenter. There's always peers, a collection of peers, and then there's always a guide, some person designated to guide the group, the community, through the video reflection. Right? And so within this document, you can read on your own, but it specifies the roles and responsibilities of the educator presenter, the guide, and the peer. And then there are also norms here, these code of conduct for all participants to be engaging in when they are participating in video reflections. And of course, these roles and norms are negotiable. As your community starts to use them, we just recommend that you go through the process a few times with these structures in place, and if there is need to do the modification, the community can do it after they've experienced it a few times, okay? And the way that video reflections generally work, and the overview gives you a sense of that, the way it works is the first time the community does a video reflection, you do it as a whole community, and that's what we'll be doing in the online meeting 3. Okay, and then thereafter, the community breaks up into smaller critical friendship groups. And it's within these critical friendship groups that people really dig into the video reflections, right? And the number of rounds you do depends on how big the critical friendship group happens to be, right? So if you have a critical friendship group of 4 people, right? One person would be the presenter, another person would be the guide, and the remaining 2 people will be the peers. And every time we do a video reflection in small group, we do 2 presenters. So that means presenter 1 and presenter 2 gets to show off their video so that we meet for 2 hours. And then the next time we meet, presenters 3 and presenters 4 get to show their videos. And each person, we spend an hour basically on reviewing and discussing their video. So that's why each video reflection session is 2 hours long, okay? The whole community video reflection is intended to be a place, time where the community practice the protocol and the tools the first time you do it. And then in subsequent times, when you do these community video reflections, it's a way for the community to regroup and re-establish protocols and processes, right? Because we do video reflections in Module 2, Module 3, and Module 4, okay? And so there are reminders on what to do to prepare and what to expect in each of the rounds.